Hey, hi everyone, welcome to Paintastic Arts. Since Holi, the festival of colors, is approaching, we are going to learn to make some organic Holi colors. So, if you are in any part of the world and want to celebrate Holi with these organic colors, this tutorial is for you guys. This can even help the parents who want their kids to play with organic colors. So let's get it started. The two basic ingredients that we are going to use is corn flour and talcum powder. We are going to mix this corn flour with talcum powder in a ratio of 1 bowl is to 1 spoon. To make our first color, I'll be requiring some turmeric powder and I'm going to mix some water. I'll make a thick paste out of it. Make sure to use gloves so that you do not mix one color into another. Now let's add this turmeric paste in our mixture. So adding some sandalwood powder to enhance the fragrance and once again mixing it. I will let this mixture dry for some time. Until then, we move on to the next color. Once again mixing corn flour with talcum powder. Mixing of talcum powder is completely optional. If you do not really want fragrance, you can completely skip this step. So the next color that we are going to make is the color green. And for that, we are going to use spinach. It's the greenmost organic thing that I know. If not, we can even use food colors. I need to grind the spinach and only take the water part of it. Let's mix this paste. We will let this mixture dry for some time. Until then, let's move on to another color. Once again, taking some corn flour and talcum powder. And this time it's blue. The simplest way to make blue color is by using a food color. So the food colors are easily available in the market. If you want to skip adding spinach, turmeric and the other organic materials, you can simply mix these food colors. As you can see, we have this beautiful light blue color. So this is not the final step. I am definitely going to show you guys how we enhance this color. Until then, let's move on to the next color. So let's make our last color. Once again taking some corn flour and talcum powder. I'm going to add some rose water to this one so that we get the fragrance of rose. And to make it an organic bright red color, I'm going to use beetroot. Once again, you need to grind this beetroot and then take out just the water of it. And then we add only the colored water to it. Let this dry and let's move on to our final step. So once again, I'm going to show you all the colors that we made today. So one by one, I'll be adding these colors in a mixer grinder to make this dried powder extremely fine. As you can see, I have ground this powder. Similarly, I'll grind blue color. So you can see it has not just made it fine but also enhanced its color. You can see how beautiful this blue color looks now. Blue definitely is my personal favorite and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learn how to make organic colors. I wish you all happy Holi and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, thank you.